Again everybody, so this time we're gonna have a quick tutorial on how to adjust your gears. So let's suppose you want to switch gears. You heard the clicking noise but nothing happens. You gotta turn out this screw down here so the Bowden cable is tightened a little more until the chain is hopping onto the next gear, like here. So let's give it a try. One click and the chain moves one up, exactly how it's supposed to be. Another scenario, let's suppose you want to turn down a gear again and you click and nothing happens. You exactly got to do the opposite. So tighten the screw again so it's going more in, so you have less pressure on the Bowden cable, and then you see one click and the chain moves down easily. So now let's suppose you switch gears. And the gear flips over. There's something wrong with the whole arm here, which is redirecting the chain on the tooth wheel. You therefore have two screws down here, one for high, one for low, which is actually repositioning this arm. So as you can see, turning one screw moves the whole arm, and it's important to have it exactly under the tooth wheel you want to hit. Opposite problem here. It's now in the highest gear. In this case the chain jumps out. You got to redirect also the redirecting arm. So therefore turn the other screw, reposition it, and it's all fine again.